Welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to discuss about group 14 elements. What are group 14 elements? 14 elements are elements with valency electron. Valence electron and S2 and P2. Group 14 elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, Sn, and lead. Eb. As we know, carbon is a non-metal. Silicon and germanium are metalloids. What are metalloids? Metalloids has the characters of metals and non-metals. And tin and lead are metals. An oxidation state. All of the elements show +4 oxidation state. +4. +4. And these elements show +2 also. +2 oxidation state. I'll name it. Okay, this is oxidation state. Oxidation state. And also these metalloids are used as semiconductors. In physics, we learned this. Down the group, as you know, every single group, when we are going down the group, radius increases, electron negativity reduces, and metallic character increases. Downward the group, metallic character, radius, ionization, energy. Metallic character increases, radius increases, ionization energy decreases. Carbon. Symbol is C. Carbon is found naturally in many forms. Example: coal, crude oil, calcitate, and CO2. Carbon has 3 electrodes. 3 electrodes. First, diamond, graphite, and fullerene. We call fullerene as buckyballs, called as carbon buckyballs or buckyballs. They are spherical in shape. Diamond and graphite. Both of them are homoatomic lattice structures. What is homoatomic? The homoatomic lattice structures are made up of same atoms. As we know, diamond and carbon both are made up of only carbon atoms. And the hybridization of diamond is sp3 hybridized, graphite is sp2 hybridized. These diamonds are tetrahedral in shape. Tetrahedral shape. They are 3D. And sp2 hybridized, the graphite, is two-dimensional, 2D layer. Diamond has no conductivity. Does not conduct electricity or heat. Graphite can conduct electricity and heat. Conduct electricity and heat. This is the only non-metal which conduct electricity and heat. Both structures are hard. Both structures are hard. but diamond has stronger lattice. Diamond has stronger lattice. Electric conductance due to the localization of fine electrons. Graphite is a good lubricating agent. Graphite is a good lubricating agent. Reason for this is reason for this the interaction between the layers of the graphite is weak. Interaction between layers of graphite is weak. Interaction between the graphite is weak. Fluorine, they are spherical in shape. They contain 60 carbon atoms. Now let's talk about carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Both are colorless, odorless, and this is poisonous. Carbon monoxide gas is poisonous gas. Bond length is shorter. CO bond length is shorter and carbon dioxide bond length is longer. They have double bonds. CO2 have double bonds and CO carbon monoxide have triple bonds. Triple bond. Carbon monoxide structure is like this: carbon, triple bond, oxygen minus plus and carbon minus. This is the structure of carbon monoxide. This is the structure of carbon dioxide. Reason for this carbon monoxide structure is they form dative bonds. How they form dative bonds? Wait. What is actually dative bonds? Dative bonds are formed by sharing a pair of electron to a bonded atom which is electron deficient. Sharing a pair of electron to a bonded atom which is electron deficient. Wait, I'll show an example. Carbon monoxide. I'll draw the carbon and oxygen. How many electrons carbon have? Carbon have 4 electrons. Oxygen has 6 electrons. Total number of electrons 10 electrons. Total electrons 10. And how many pairs? There are 5 pairs of electron. 5 pairs of electron. Okay, let's do the structure. Carbon, single bond, oxygen. And which is more electronegative? Oxygen is more electronegative. A pair of electron, a pair of electron, a pair of electron. There are 3 pairs and 1 bond, and there is a remaining pair, 1 pair of electron. What that will give that pair to carbon. Carbon has 4 electrons in the valence. Let's see the charge. Carbon has 3 electrons in the valence near to them. Therefore, it has a charge of +1. And the oxygen has 6 electrons in the valence, but it has 7 near it. Therefore, the charge is -1. And therefore, a pair of electron will participate in the bond. Okay. Now both the carbon and oxygen does not have any charge, but here oxygen satisfies octet rule, but the carbon does not satisfy octet rule. Therefore, another pair of electron will participate in the bond. This last bond is dative bond. And now charge octet rule is completed, but charge is not balanced. 1 2 3 4 5, and therefore this oxygen receives a plus charge, and this carbon contains 1 2 3 4 5. Therefore it has 4 electrons, and now it has 5, therefore minus. This is a dative bond. A bond is a dative bond. Carbon monoxide act as a reducing agent in production of iron. Carbon monoxide used as reducing agent in iron production. Carbon monoxide plays a major role in catalytic reaction as a ligand. This is due to a lone pair of electron present in carbon of carbon monoxide. Next subtopic is oxo acids of carbon. There is only one oxo acid. It is H2CO3. H2CO3, which is a weak acid. H2CO3 is a weak acid. Let's draw the structure of H2CO3. Carbon, double bond O, H. Structure of carbonic acid. This is carbonic acid. They call it as carbonic acid. How these carbonic acids are produced? The carbonic acids are produced by mixing CO2, carbon dioxide gas, plus H2O liquid. This is a reversible reaction and they produce H2CO3, carbonic acid aqueous. This reaction occurs in under pressure. Under pressure. This reaction occurs in the under pressure. Let's see how they produce H plus. Carbonic acid produce H plus. Okay, carbonic acid. H2CO3 plus H2O liquid. They produce HCO3 minus plus HCO aqueous, and these HCO3 minus plus H2O liquid forms CO3 carbonate ion, C minus carbonate ion equals 2 minus plus H3O plus equals. And also CO2 can carbon dioxide can react with bases to produce carbonates. I'll write an example. CO2 gas plus NaOH aqueous. This forms sodium carbonate and water. If the CO2 is excess, Na2CO3 excess CO2 plus H2O liquid will produce sodium bicarbonate. They produce sodium bicarbonates. These are the reactions. That's all for group 14. Please revise it. If not, you will forget everything.